We are in the middle of 2022 after surviving a pandemic that fundamentally changed how society is organized around the world. We have relied heavily on digital infrastructure during the past 2 years. Many of us digged deeper and deeper into our digital cocoons when there wasn't much else to soothe us. As web usage increased, we found new problems and opportunities for growth. A new generation of technologies is now developing to improve and expand the online experience. Let's take a look at the trends in play in current efforts to rebuild the internet as we know it. Now, ask any software developer what they think about the program that they just finished, and they will tell you that there is something they would like to improve. As John Lennon once said of the Beatles, timeless oeuvre. There is not one of them I wouldn't like to record. This helps us to comprehend one of the main drivers of continual improvement. Similar to the artistic spirit, software developers are driven by an unquenchable desire to create something exceptional. After all, it is described as being state-of-the-art. It's all about maintainability and readability of the code, we say frequently. In actuality, a lot of us are driven by the innate desire to produce something valuable, cloud adoption and higher order infrastructure. It is undeniable that spending on cloud services keeps rising. In actuality, recent cloud spending has surpassed 50% of all IT spending. The explanation is straightforward. Infrastructure and tooling that are virtualized provide many needs with more nimble solutions. The development of cloud computing is fascinating. Although the concept of dynamic cloud-hosted virtual computers, also known as Infrastructure as Services or IaaS, was compelling, it only served as the initial outline for a larger work of art. The obvious next step are PaaS and serverless operations. Additionally, we are witnessing both a vertical and horizontal evolution in the diversification and specialization of solutions. Infrastructure that is virtualized enables creative actors to create high-order solutions. API hosters and API providers are the two main groups of participants in this space. Serverless deployments and API providers. The important thing is that these solutions, like Vercel for hosting, offer a high degree of abstraction, lots of power with little effort, harnessed to a particular set of needs. They are constructed above the contemporary virtual layer. The old paradigm has just been transferred to the cloud and involves deploying data stores into virtual infrastructure. Utilizing a tool like MongoDB Atlas is more comparable to working with a partner who is focused on helping you connect what you have with what you need. One thing to note is that with these tools in this field, they frequently include 3 components: a web-based administration interface, an API that apps can connect to, and an in-code integration capability. Front-end tools and frameworks. The JavaScript language is still evolving steadily, and at the front end, where the magic of third-party APIs and back-end logic find their human-machine manifestation, while this is going on, fierce rivalry is causing a massive natural selection process to take place among the JavaScript frameworks. While more recognized reactive frameworks like React and Vue continue to expand, projects like Solid, Svelte, and Quick are pushing the limit in a number of ways. It is unusual to observe such narrowly targeted cross-pollination and iteration in a single software domain. Custom middleware. Custom middleware. The majority of work done in the cloud involves combining APIs and integrating already existing tools, which will always require people to perform some bespoke work at the middleware level. This is so because the overarching goal of all automation is to meet the evolving demands of people. Although frameworks like JHipster and server-side languages like Rust are intriguing innovations, this area is still in transition. The back-end is awaiting a more comprehensive evolution, just like the front-end. The environment is highly suited for existing solutions like Java, Node.js, and Python, and their related frameworks. all of which are constantly improving in response to needs from the real world. They will, in my opinion, continue to be an important area of effort. Middleware code remains to be an essential element in serverless, just as IaaS is. Process automation. Process automation. The capacity to package and redeploy best practices is becoming more and more dependent on process automation, which is the coordination of the procedures teams use to develop and deliver software. We observe a concentration on specialized solutions in this area. There is a value in distilling what works well, as identified in large organizations like Google and Microsoft, and capturing it in solutions that work for teams of all sizes. Process automation tools that focus on developer activities include the numerous CI/CD solutions, build and dependency management tools, and testing frameworks. This category also includes services like GitHub and version control. Another crucial aspect that will affect software in the future is process automation. Thank you for watching. I wish you good luck in your software development journey. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more content.